Welcome to Artificial Professor. And in this video I will explain how to combine videos in Canva. So as you see, here is the homepage of canva.com. From here tap on this icon videos. And select the video. Like if you want a video for your Facebook, then tap on this one. If you want for Instagram, then tap on this one. But I want only for my mobile, so that's why I'm tapping on this one. If you want to combine the videos which are already in your PC, then what you have to do simply tap on this option upload, and here is the option upload file. You will tap on this one, search for your video and upload that to Canva, then tap on this video icon. Then your video will be shown here, after uploading the video. What you have to do now simply, I will show you by a tutorial like I will combine the videos which are already in Canva. Like I will select this one. So here is my first video. This video is only for 3.7 seconds. Now tap on this plus icon, and again, select your next video you like. I will select this one. Then I will play this video. These both video will look like a single video. Now, after doing this simply tap on this share icon, and tap on the option download, and again tap on the option download, so as you see it start downloading and it will take a while. So as you see, these are two videos which I combined in Canva. So by this way you can combine the Canva video and also your PC videos. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.